roadmap. Evaluation manifest is under development. Okay, now let's start. Maybe it's not fully accurate, but almost. So we have e-voyage, e-movement, and e-release in scope of PCS. So this is we'll check all the flows. So first we create one voyage, and we send to our authority. So we have manifest. We create one manifest, and we get data from e-voyage to populate the manifest. For now, it's quite simple. And in addition, when the manifest is created, we send data to e-movement and e-release with list of pods, containers, and everything. After, handlers discharge the containers, so they send query to e-movement or whatever. They send information that discharge, so they create a discharge. After, we create the delivery order at that time. I hope I'm not saying something wrong. Now, this declaration is coming. We assessed, I did shortcut by the way. Normally you have to register and to assess, but just to speed up the demo. When we assess, we send information to a movement that judgment status that it assessed, and we send data to e-release as well. And with this information, e-release is able to calculate taxes. After e-payments, so we calculate taxes, and we send to e-payment. And in parallel, it's not demonstrated here because I wanted to focus on PCS, but from eSAD, they send to e-payment the taxes of the SAD itself. But it's not written here because I wanted to focus. That's right. So, payment is done on e-payment. It's informed to release that some invoice has been paid for the bond itself. We pay SAD. Or it can be paid at SAD level or at e-payment level. It depends how it's done.
It depends country.
It depends. Even in Benin, we supposed to all SAD should be paid from our interface. That maybe at the beginning, one will be paid from Sidonia, one at the bank, one using our system. So can be see. But imagine it's paid at SAD level. So we inform your release that now it's paid. Now get out. It's at that time I didn't I didn't want to create too much flow because I forgot the knowledge identification, the transmission getting, get out. I wanted to make it a little bit more simpler to not and say too much things and to be very difficult to understand. But at that time, before get out, we need to identify the caller. After we have get in, constants means get in, and now know the get out. I'm right?
Korea.
Yes. Yes, and but at that time, you should check if but before, yes, it was asking, it was this last row before going out. he asking the movement asks to release, please can really these goods can be going first the truck and the good. This is, I mean, the simplest flow without any post entry or whatever from the SAT, without any stripping. It was, I mean, basic flow. This one. And now, in movement voyage, no, there is no communication between movement and voyage.
There is one, but it's a very very old communication. It's when
the ship right or left?
Yes.
I mean, it's not. This is the old communication, I think.
And also between e-movement and e-voyage, there's a strong link between all handling units and voyages. When we create a movement, it's a lot of voyage.
Yes.
From back then.
Yes, one more. So e-voyage, I'm sending to e-movement now.
Yes.
Yes, when we create, we send to Port Authority plus e-movement. And same as manifest email. So e-movement will have one small database with all voyages and all the manifests.
Sorry.
And same for SAD. We have one very small database with some key fields of the SAD, just to be able to link. But the full content of the SAD is stored here as a JSON. So to be able to reprocess the calculation, if because you can clear invoice and can ask to recompute the invoices. This is it. E-release.
Just one question. Regarding to these queries, Goleors, Goosecars, Codecos. So right now we are opening tasks, like convert from one, for example, XML to JSON. For now, it is more important for us to understand why we are doing all these conversions.
It's just here. It is like everything can be done using user interface. But to create manifest, some IT system from external IT system, they don't want to.
Most of the times they're using their.
They some using one dedicated format or Tuscar or personal things, but they send to manifest. But now instead of sending directly, it was at the beginning it was designed like this. They will send by web service to the manifest. It was so messy. This whole conversion that we decided to delegate this mess to one dedicated service. This PCS bridge. So now we send to one big black box. Let's say they send to this black box. They do conversion. After they send to the correct application.
Okay.
And for manifest, Tuscar, whatever, for e-movement we have query here, but instead of keying movement here, they send using query. But same here in the middle we have this PCS bridge.
And we have query 1, query 2. Yes.
Yes. So.
En fait, il faut que tu lui expliques les interactions avec Tuscar. When you said so, handlers will go to a movement. Instead of saying that, we
they
can
send
say
query.
they send.
It's like they send information after how they send.
Yes.
It's,
this is what.
Business in point of view, business is correct, but technically, yes, they send using web service query or CSV or whatever to e-movement, but to e-movement using PCS bridge to convert. And but one thing is missing here is the release order. Yes, when the goods is ready to be released. Now it was we have to inform shipping agent.
So I have my
handler, yes.
Release order is sent to. Okay, one. So yes. So one euro is missing. Yes, some outputs are missing, except this one, support authority. Here we communicate with handler as well. And carrier is same for manifest, for instance. When a manifest is created, we send to handler as well. The shipping list, no, the shipping list, the provisional discharge list. It's not perfect, this one. I need to review it.
Au pire, on avait dit qu'on le ferait sur le tableau.
Yes, yes.
Ouais, les deux et un en même temps.
I will use this one because it's.
Okay. Let me, for the next what? Projection? I don't know. Nekasne Moskva.
Presentation.
Presentation. Let me create all these stuffs. I will present, and if there will be any mistakes, you can correct me.
Maybe you can check as well from PCS Confluence. Nicolas has written some page about, but